That's a cop, dumb. He's gonna get got by the fucking cops! Ah!
Oh yeah, he's got a lot of questions, like this, that, and the other, because he blew through the stop sign.
Yep.
That's hilarious.
That's awesome. Some instant karma.
It was at this moment that he knew. Duh.
You realize you're speeding right in front of a cop, right? Yep.
You got him. Guess he does. He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna trip from the other lane.
Bright guide, brightradio.com.
Every time you come around, you know I come.
A few moments later.
Yes. Yes. Fuck yes. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, I have to save this fucking
We
footage.
have time too. Oh man.
Oh, I have to save this dash cam footage for like the instant karma YouTube. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god, that's beautiful.
I was like, I didn't even realize, and then he was like creeping next to me, and I was just like, oh my god.
Yes. Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Woo! Destroyed! Man, I was like, this guy's going so fast! Busted!
When he was alerted to a 10-year-old in
I think that would have been Kershaw playing for the Red Sox because they would have traded them both for. He ever got to meet Clayton Kershaw, so his 10-year-old grandson was standing in for him as he was announcing why he was there, and you see Clayton Kershaw, when the boy begins to cry, get up and do what you would hope every athlete that you like would do. Clayton, this picture about baseball, that it is a love of a sport that's passed down from generation to generation. After the Red Sox finally won the series in '04, you'd hear stories of people that sat in the stands with their take the program or take some other memento and just sit there with them. Did you do that, Mike?
I did. I brought the final scorecard from Busch Stadium, the old Busch Stadium, 2004, with a little canister of infield dirt that I scooped up from the infield there after the game was over and left it.
Yes, I'm a fan. That's why it's always great to come and hang out.
Harold, you're the newest member here, I think.
I told you guys, this is Greg. I mean, for my kids, watching Greg do the one more thing, go, animals are great. That's for my kids. And I got hooked on the show, so thank you guys for having me.
Jesse, I'm going to just point out real quick before we get your reaction. We have food here from Arthur and Sons. This is located in Chelsea. They also own Serendipity 3, which I think we've probably all been to before and had that amazing food there. They have we have spicy rigatoni alla vodka, and meatballs and ricotta, and we have something else. We have ranch, garlic bread, and we have a big cake.
Wild. And it's just...
Oh, another cop. Tell me he's going to get the guy with the boat. Sheriff, too. Right on. What'd you get for driving like...
Sometimes they had a Monopoly one.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh. But yeah, they had a Monopoly one once. That didn't go well.
That's crazy, idiot. Yeah.
We believe in opportunity for all. Explore your opportunities at phoenix.edu.
Arizona Cardinals football, 98.7 FM, Arizona's sports station.
NFL Plus empowers you with on-demand, having to access the live games, game replays, and much more. Visit easycardinals.com/NFL Plus. 1 quarter to go in week 1, and the Cardinals trail 37-7 to the Kansas City Chiefs. The Cardinals have...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.